What's up, divas? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? It's your girl A, and welcome back to my channel. As y'all already know, this video is being sponsored by SHEIN, where you could get the best of the best of the best for less. SHEIN will have you dressed for less and looking your best. So today's video, like I said, is a sponsored video through SHEIN, where you can find clothes, shoes, accessories, home goods, pet clothes, car accessories. You can find just about everything on SHEIN for the fraction of the price. And girl, listen, let me tell y'all something. There's always a coupon code. So make sure you check the description box down below so that way you can use my coupon code. And also make sure to follow your favorite shops on SHEIN so that way every time they post a new item, they have a clearance sale, or they just got something in the know, you'll know, and you'll be notified via text message or via notification through your phone. Surprisingly today, this one right here did not disappoint. I think I either have 10 or 11 outfits, and out of the haul, y'all, there is one item or maybe two that I wasn't really that fond of, but everything else, the fabric was on point, it was perfect. So I do have my little special guest today, which is my fur baby Muffin. If you guys are not aware, I did lose my fur baby Pancake about 6 to 7 weeks ago, but I did adopt and rescue Muffin at the local shelter. I did not name her. It just so happened that the shelter named her Muffin, and I just knew she was for me. I did see her on a basis of 3 days in a row because she was a lost pet. Because she was a lost pet, she did have a 72-hour hold, and by the time I went back, which was 4 days later, they had already given her the name Muffin. I will link the video down below so that way you can see me and my daughter Mumsy's journey to the animal shelter rescue. She is a long-haired Chihuahua, and she is about 2 years old. She's a sweet girl. She's a sweetheart. She's very clingy to me, which I'm happy about that, okay? So she is in today's video, and she has on her dress, and she's looking her best. So like I was saying, there wasn't a lot of outfits that I was disappointed with in this try-on haul, and I was really happy about that. SHEIN really did it this time. The fabric was on point for all of the outfits that I was really feeling, and I'm happy about that. Now y'all know I am a plus size girl. The outfits was really comfy. There might be like a couple of dressy outfits in this haul, and I'm so happy that SHEIN has stepped it up with their fabric and their pocket choices. Okay, we're gonna start off first with this red pants. Now I actually really like these pants a lot. I do love the asymmetrical yoke that is in the front. I actually ended up seeing these pants on someone on Facebook way before the haul, and I was just like, where did they get those pants from? I need those pants. It just so happens that SHEIN sells them, and I do believe there's more than one color. I got it in like this dark red, and I'm absolutely in love with these pants. They did a great job with the fabric choice. I like the asymmetrical or the symmetric yoke in the front because it does pull away from your problem area if you have like an apron belly or a fupa, and the fact that it has huge pockets on the side was definitely a plus. It does have elastic all around, also the asymmetrical in the back area. Now as for the ankles do have an elastic pull to them, but not only do they have that, but they also have a drawstring, so you can definitely make it even tighter if you choose to. I like these pants so much. They were super easy to iron, but I did get these in a 2X. Now the only thing that I really did wish for is if they had pockets up higher, because I'm just so used to sticking my hands in my pockets when I'm doing my try-ons. With this pair of pants, I did pair it with one of my other items from a recent haul from SHEIN, which is this printed short sleeve crop blouse. I absolutely love that blouse. It has so many different colors in it, and I thought it paired so well with the actual pants. It had like that deep red in it. Plus I liked it because it had a collar. Now the sandals I also did get from SHEIN. I purchased those on my own like last summer, and I love them. They're so comfortable. They're so girly like. So in the video, as you've seen, I did pair it with one of my newest purses, which is from winbagsru. I will definitely link them down below. If you're interested in this bag, let them know. There will be a discount code, which is winbagsru. This is real authentic leather, very well made. It does have the gold hardware. This particular designer is one of my favorites, and inside there is a key and a lock and also some accessories. Now also inside is a longer strap, which I'm going to show you guys. It does have a zipper inside, so that way you can keep your other items secure. But the one thing that I do like about this bag a lot is it does have a longer strap. I do love the Speedy style Louis Vuitton bags. The Speedy bags and the tote bags are one of my favorites. Bag is awesome. They did an amazing job on it. Now the straps are in two, so you do have to put it together. and it is an adjustable lengthy strap. So if you do get tired of carrying the bag in your hand, you could just do like a crossbody over it if you choose to. Each end does have the hook, nice lengthy straps, so that way it's adjustable. So if you want to put it over your head and wear it like so, you can do that, and you can also adjust it just to make it a lot longer in the front, so that way it'll be a lot more comfortable. So it did come with the actual gold key and lock, so that way you can lock your bag. And here are the keys. Also do get the luggage tag, so that way you can put it on in case you don't have it nearby or you lose it and someone's so kind enough to return it. They have this right here. I really do like the leather. I thought it went so nice with my SHEIN outfit, and it just brought the whole outfit together. It also does come with a dust bag, so that way you can keep it clean and safe from the elements. So I will leave their information down below for winbags.ru. So the second item in this haul is this two-piece skirt set. I was actually unaware that it was going to come with the crop top. Now I love this skirt. I'm not like a huge fan of the crop top, and I just really didn't like do backflips for the top. Now I per se would definitely pair this with either like a tangerine color blouse or a tank top or black. The skirt is also made really nice. The fabric was not like the best fabric, but it's not too bad because it's a skirt and it's very flowy. I also like this skirt a lot because it's long, and I just really do like maxi skirts or maxi dresses the most. That's always been my thing. I love the design and the print of the skirt. This is also in a size 2X. Love maxi skirts. Get you a nice maxi skirt from SHEIN. They have so many to choose from, and they're all so nice. Now moving right along, girl, I did not know that this was going to be one of my favorite outfits out of this entire try on. I love these rompers so much. I'm not really sure why, because y'all know I don't really do one pieces and rompers, but I will do a romper that's easy to get off. You know what I'm saying? Like if it's easy to take off, then girl, I'm there for it. Girl, it's made with cotton and it got pockets and it's easy to untie at the shoulders. When I tell you I love this romper so much, it's very comfortable, it's very lightweight. I love the wide legs in this romper, but the most important thing was the fabric and the stripes. Like I don't like my stripes going vertical because I'm already big enough. Girl, I'm not trying to bring too much attention to my bigness, so I really do prefer them to go horizontal. I think that's right? I do like this romper a lot. It's very free flowing. It's very comfortable. If you have like a belly, you don't even have to worry about that, girl. And I did put a tank top on underneath it because the sides are a little bit deep. Unless you don't care about anybody seeing your bra, then girl, that's on you. But I love this romper. It's just really comfortable, and I love comfortable clothes. I just try to dress my age or age appropriate, you know what I'm saying? And also body size appropriate. That's me in a nutshell. So the next item is another one-piece romper, and I absolutely love this. Like this one is definitely going out with your man attire, going to work attire. Very like sophisticated one piece. Now the one thing about this romper or this one piece is this: you definitely need somebody to zipper you up in the back. I wish that the zipper was more or less like on the side somewhere, so it was a lot easier to take off. But girl, when I tell you this one piece romper, jumper, whatever you want to call it, is made with quality fabric. It has pockets. The color is beautiful. The size I got was a 2X. It just flowed so great. I love the wide legs of it. It just went together so nice. I do like how they did like the inseam in the back area just to kind of like pull it and tie it all together. But the one thing that was really important to me was the fit of it and the quality of the fabric. It's not a fabric that you're gonna go sweat in. You don't have to worry about it cinching into between your butt cheeks. You don't have to worry about it being see-through, because it's definitely not that. But it's like the perfect romper. But I absolutely love this romper. So the next outfit is this, girl, I don't really know what you want to call this, red romper, because I was really digging it on the website. I felt like it was so pretty. It was perfect. The girl, the model, she was wearing it well. She did her thing wearing it. But when it came to me, girl, yeah, no, it just didn't look good on me at all. I honestly feel like it didn't look good on me because my torso is not that long. You know what I'm saying? Like I have a short torso and I also have a short neck, okay? And because I've gained weight, my neck has gotten even shorter, all right? And so because my torso is short, I don't think that it went well for me. Also, it was very deep plunging in the front, and I wasn't like a huge fan of that. Like I don't want my tatas out like that. Like that ain't the look that I'm going for. Plus, let me tell y'all, if you got a booty, girl, trust me when I tell you, do not wear any type of thongs or I don't know what you would want to wear with this, but I would not suggest wearing thongs because I did have some on in the video, and my shapewear is also thong shapewear. And girl, when I tell you that material is very clingy to your skin, it will seep in the crack of your ass real quick. But I like the romper, just not for me. And also, I think it would be better for somebody that had a longer torso. So moving right along is another romper, which is this cheetah print one. Now, it is made the exact same way as the first one that I showed you with the stripes. It is by the same shop on SHEIN, and y'all know how much I love cheetah print. I freaking love cheetah print. The material is not the same, but it's not bad at all. The material is actually great for this romper or for this print, but I didn't like the print on me. I don't know, I liked the stripe one way more. It just gave me like a different look. I feel like the animal print one made me look more like an animal, okay? But moving right along, we're gonna move on to this brown two-piece set. So I really, really do like this set a lot. I can't believe that I actually got it in a 1X. I was trying to figure out, was I bugging out? Was I not paying attention? This brand is really a good brand on SHEIN. They have some really nice, unique items. The material was so nice. The color was so pretty. They did a really nice job with this outfit. The only thing that is missing though, missing the actual pockets. I would have loved to have pockets in this. Very comfortable, elastic, and I think like it was the perfect length for me, who's short. I'm like 5'3", but I really wish that they would have put some pockets in this outfit. Still a hit. Is a really great casual, kind of like you can dress it up outfit if you choose to. So the next item is this yellow two-piece. So funny thing about this two-piece yellow is my granddaughter, she had a SHEIN try on as well, and she had a short set that was the exact same fabric and the exact same color. And so then I was like, oh, I'm gonna get it to match her. For me, if I decide to wear this outside, I'm putting on some white biker shorts underneath the skirt because it's a little bit too short for me and it doesn't have like a lot of structure, you know what I'm saying? So it looks like an easy light wind, blow it up and everybody would see what's in the back. Like I said, I wanted to match my granddaughter and I thought it was shorts. And then my second campaign, I looked and I have the exact color, the exact fabric, but this time it's in a short set and it had a short sleeve blouse shirt with it. So I did change the blouse. You'll see the short set in the next video. I think I would feel a little bit more comfortable with the actual longer sleeve. And that's what I did. I like the collar and I probably would swap them out. And like I said, the color is very bright and radiant and it's very pretty. It's a very airy outfit. I definitely would suggest wearing some type of, you know what I'm saying, shorts underneath it if you don't want to show everything. But other than that, it's really comfortable. And I think I look cute with the other shirt more, in my opinion. So the next item is this two-piece pink short set. Now, let me tell y'all, I also got this in a gray one for the next tryout. And I really did think that it was going to be longer on me in the legs because I looked at people wearing this on the SHEIN website who have purchased it and they looked longer on them. It still is cute, but here's the thing with me. I don't like my shorts to be that short. I'm just very self-conscious. I just feel like, I don't know, I just don't like my shorts being that short. I prefer to wear Bermuda style shorts. It doesn't matter what the outfit look like. Give me some Bermuda style shorts and I'm good. But it still is a cute outfit. And girl, they used the right fabric for this. They definitely used the right fabric. They got a real workable drawstring and it has like really good elastic. And I like the way they sewed the elastic because it's not gonna move. If you ever notice and purchase something from SHEIN and the elastic is not sewn like this, the elastic seems to turn a bend and move around in your clothes and then you have to fix it and I hate that. But the quality is perfect. It's made with like jersey style, t-shirt style fabric. I do like the fact that it has splits in the side pocket and it has side pockets, but I just wish the shorts were a little bit longer. It is a cute outfit and it is made with great quality fabric, so I got to give it to them for that. They did their thing with this particular one right here, and it's also in a 2X. This fabric is not like hot fabric, and also the cool thing about it is the collar wasn't so tight at the neck. I hate when my collar be so tight. And the last outfit is the one that I have on. So if y'all remember this two-piece outfit, I did have this on in my last try on and I absolutely loved this two-piece so much. I got the last one, the first one, in a size 2X, and I felt like I should have got a size 1X because The pants, or the shorts rather, they were a tad bit loose, and so once I wore them throughout the day, they got a little bit looser, and the shirt was a little bit bigger. So I said I'm gonna get a 1X now, and this one fit perfect. Like, I love the quality of this two-piece set. I was really looking for other ones from them, but I guess this color is the only one. But they do have other colors, but it's not, the shirts are made a little bit different. Like, the neck is higher up and they're sleeveless, and I don't really, girl, listen, I get hot flashes. But I did go down a size, and it has great stretch. It washes really well, because I think I wore that outfit like twice since the last try on, and it's just perfect. It's like good quality fabric. It's not see-through. It washes really well. It doesn't shrink. Though I don't have a dryer, I have always air dried my clothes. I've been living in this house for 13 years, girl, and all my clothes are air dried. But I love y'all. Make sure you check the description box down below for any of my coupon codes and the links to each item that I tried on. Let me know your thoughts on the items that I tried on. And if you stay to the end, please give me a yellow heart. I love y'all. Stay diva and divolicious, and I will see y'all in the next one.